Discover the most stunning pink foliage indoor plants that can instantly elevate your home decor. From rare beauties to easy care favorites, these vibrant plants add color, elegance, and a unique touch to any space. Whether you are a beginner or collector, these pink plants will transform your indoor garden beautifully. Pink Caladium, Caladium bicolor, is a stunning tropical foliage plant known for its vibrant pink, heart-shaped leaves that instantly draw attention. It brings a soft yet bold aesthetic to indoor spaces, making it perfect for home decor and plant styling. This plant thrives in warm temperatures, high humidity, and bright indirect light, which helps maintain its intense pink color. Keep the soil slightly moist but well-drained for healthy growth. Pink Caladium naturally goes dormant for a short period, then returns beautifully. Easy to care for and visually striking, it's a must-have for anyone who loves colorful indoor plants. Rose-painted Calathea, Calathea roseopicta, is a captivating indoor plant admired for its deep-toned leaves highlighted with rich pink patterns that look hand-painted. This tropical beauty thrives in warm, humid environments with bright indirect light, making it perfect for indoor decor. Its foliage gently moves throughout the day, adding a lively touch to your space. Keep the soil consistently moist but not soggy, and avoid direct sunlight to protect its delicate colors. With its elegant appearance and unique charm, rose-painted Calathea brings a luxurious and artistic feel to any indoor plant collection. Philodendron erubescens, Pink Princess, is one of the most sought-after indoor plants, loved for its dark green leaves splashed with stunning pink variegation. Each leaf is unique, making it a true collector's plant. It thrives in bright indirect light, which helps maintain its vibrant pink patterns. Keep the soil slightly moist and provide good humidity for healthy growth. This climbing philodendron adds a bold, elegant touch to any indoor space and looks beautiful on shelves or with support. With the right care, the Pink Princess continues to produce eye-catching foliage that stands out in any plant collection. Begonia Rex is a stunning foliage plant admired for its dramatic leaves in rich pink tones with a velvety texture. Its bold patterns and unique shapes make it a true statement piece for indoor decor. This plant thrives in warm, humid conditions with bright indirect light. Keep the soil lightly moist but well-drained, and avoid overwatering to prevent root issues. Rex Begonia prefers stable conditions and gentle care, rewarding you with vibrant, eye-catching foliage. Perfect for tabletops or shelves, it adds a luxurious and artistic touch to any indoor plant collection. Syngonium podophyllum, Neon robusta, is a beautiful indoor plant known for its soft pink, arrow-shaped leaves that create a calm and elegant look. Its gentle pink tone makes it perfect for adding subtle color to any space. This easy-care plant thrives in bright indirect light and adapts well to indoor conditions. Keep the soil lightly moist and provide occasional humidity for best growth. It can grow as a compact bush or trail gracefully over time. Ideal for beginners, Neon robusta brings a fresh, stylish touch to your indoor plant collection. Polka dot plant, Hypoestes philostachya, is a charming indoor plant known for its vibrant pink speckled leaves that add a playful touch to any space. Its soft foliage creates a lively and decorative look, perfect for desks, shelves, or small pots. This plant thrives in bright indirect light, which helps maintain its bold pink color. Keep the soil consistently moist but not soggy, and pinch back growth to keep it bushy and compact. Easy to grow and eye-catching, the polka dot plant is perfect for adding a fun pop of pink to your indoor plant collection. Tradescantia albiflora Nanook is a stunning trailing plant loved for its soft pink-toned leaves that create a vibrant and modern look indoors. Its compact growth and slightly thick foliage make it both decorative and easy to maintain. This plant thrives in bright indirect light, which helps enhance its pink coloration. Allow the topsoil to dry slightly between watering to keep it healthy. Perfect for hanging planters, shelves, or tabletops, Nanoc adds a fresh, stylish touch and a gentle splash of pink to any indoor plant collection. Pink nerve plant, Fittonia albivenes, is a beautiful compact indoor plant admired for its soft green leaves decorated with striking pink veins that create a delicate, artistic look. Perfect for desks, shelves, and terrariums, it adds a refreshing touch of color to small spaces. This plant thrives in high humidity and bright indirect light, which helps maintain its vibrant patterns. Keep the soil consistently moist, as it tends to wilt quickly when dry but recovers fast after watering. With proper care, the pink nerve plant remains lush and eye-catching, making it a favorite for indoor plant lovers. Stromanth sanguinea Triostar. It stands out with its striking pink-toned foliage that gives a bold, artistic vibe to any indoor space. Each leaf looks uniquely painted, creating a lively and dynamic display. It prefers a warm, humid environment and grows best in bright, filtered light. Regular watering keeps it fresh, but avoids soggy soil. This plant also shows gentle leaf movement throughout the day, adding a sense of life to your room. Perfect for statement decor, Triostar brings a fresh, tropical feel and a beautiful splash of pink to your indoor plant setup. Pink rubber plant, Ficus elastica ruby, is a bold and glossy indoor plant known for its rich pink-toned foliage that adds a modern, vibrant touch to any space. Its thick, shiny leaves create a strong visual impact, making it perfect as a statement plant in living rooms or corners. This plant prefers bright indirect light to maintain its color and grows well with minimal care. Allow the soil to dry slightly between watering and avoid overwatering. With its upright growth and striking appearance, the pink rubber plant brings a stylish and confident look to indoor decor. Waffle plant, Hemigraphis alternata, is a unique indoor plant admired for its textured, crinkled leaves with a rich pinkish-purple sheen. Its low-growing, spreading habit makes it perfect for small pots, tabletops, or as a trailing accent. This plant thrives in warm, humid conditions with bright indirect light, which enhances its vibrant tones. Keep the soil lightly moist and avoid letting it dry out completely. With its unusual foliage and soft metallic glow, the waffle plant adds depth, contrast, and a subtle splash of pink to any indoor plant collection.